Morning, Dick.
Morning, Jane. Morning, Jane.
Oh, you sound more awake than I am.
It's because you have to start your day with AC/DC's Thunderstruck.
Which you did.
Kind of sets the mood. You get some work done, you got to get the motor going.
Yeah, exactly. So, what you got going on?
I'm trying to get your fire started again so you can get them boxes out of the back of the Jeep.
Yep, it's
the Gator.
Our method of destroying documentation.
Yeah, old financial paperwork from 20 years ago. I don't think we need to keep that around.
No, and it's faster than shredding.
I don't know about that.
You've
been burning this for days.
Well,
and it doesn't really burn all that well unless you have a super duper hot fire, which you have not been able to get into this can yet. But keep throwing some wood in there, that helps.
Yeah, which I've been doing mixture of both.
Yeah, so I just threw a couple pieces of wood in there.
So
keep it going.
What do you hope to get done today?
Well, I'm gonna saw a log. Gotta keep that moving forward so I
okay.
can continue to add weight to our new stack over there.
So you're gonna do another cherry then?
I'm gonna do another cherry, exactly. And then, so yeah, I'm gonna do another cherry.
Awesome.
Yeah, that one over there, I see the big curve in it.
All right, let me turn around here. Oh yeah, it's got like a mini horn at the top.
Yeah, I think it's got. I think that's about 10 foot or so. I think I can cut about 2 feet off of that and end up. It's still gonna have a little crook, but it won't be as long, and so hopefully that'll improve the yield on that log. And so now I can cut about 2 feet and still end up with a little over 8 feet.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so that'll be good.
Not a huge loss there.
Yeah, and then it'll just be firewood.
Hopefully more sweet than sour.
Yeah, I'll probably cut 16 inches off and then see whatever's left, so I can have at least one nice firewood log out of that and 16-inch length. So I gotta break out the steel. I think that's too big a job for Sting. Yeah.
Yeah, so, I love my battery operated chainsaw. That's cool.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, you can cut 4, 6, 8 inches pretty easy with that thing. But that's probably 20. So yeah, it probably wouldn't reach to the middle.
Yeah.
So I'll get the steel MS 311 out. And
I'm glad you remember all those numbers.
Well, I keep having to look them up every time we tag our videos, so if we're using it or something. It's not like we don't monetize the channel, and we are obviously not sponsored. But what the hell, if anybody's looking up that model, they can see it in action.
Yeah.
So.
All right, then I guess we have to do what?
Get to it.
That's right.
So one of the other things I want to do is that sawdust pile that's over there.
Yeah.
It's not a very big one, but since we're already hooked up with the little wagon, I think we can go. I want to shovel that into there and drop it on the trails in the woods.
Okay.
So that'd be the plan. So since I'm already hooked up. all I needed today.
That was it.
It's a fairly uniformly shaped cookie there by hand, huh?
Yeah.
Not too bad. Run that through the planer. Now, question is, what's the likelihood of me being able to dry this without it cracking in a bunch of pieces?
Do you have
Obviously, you can't, if you anchor seal all of it, I mean,
Yeah.
how's that work?
I was about to ask, should we anchor seal it? What?
I don't know, that's a good question. What do you do with a cookie like this? Because it's actually pretty cool. Well, you can see the pith is way wrong. It's a little better now. Take a look at the log. So now I don't have quite as much to deal with. In order to have milled through this and get some straight lumber, I would have had a lot of waste.
Yeah.
So I sacrificed about 18 inches of that, but I still got 8-foot 4-inch logs. I mean, a log, yeah, 8-foot 4-inch log, so I can get some 8-foot 4-inch lumber. So, yeah, I think that'll work. I can still see some crook in it. I mean, you can see it from here. So that's definitely not a quality log. You know, maybe a better man would have turned that into firewood, but I'm gonna try to make some planks out of it. All right, so let's see. So I got 10 inches across here, right? So I'm gonna try to get this down to at least a 10 by 10 cant, and then we'll go get some boards out of it. But yeah,
It's looking nice, huh?
looking pretty nice. Got a little knot here. Got some cathedral going here. Cathedral pattern right there. And yeah, it's not bad. Get this thing down to a cant. It smells interesting.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's a mild scent.
Yeah. So it's not too bad. So like I said, I got it down to about a 10-inch cant going across this way. So we're gonna flip this thing over, and hopefully we can get at least or 10 inches going this way. Hopefully we can get at least 10 inches going the other way. Then we can get pull some 10-inch boards out of this thing. So that's 10 inches. So what can we get? So we're getting near the top of the tree. It's got some pretty decent patterns going on here. A tree, all these little knots, these little lungs that came out of it. Let's see what's underneath this one. Alright. Looking pretty nice. little deeper. Again, we cut these in 5/4. That's looking really nice. Starting to get a little bit of that cathedral pattern going here. Perfectly good board here. Tiny bit of wane left. This is the last one with the wane on it. So let's see. But this can go. We'll eventually put this right on the tractor. And then finally, let's see what we got for this guy. I tried to line up the pith, but with this crooked log, wasn't the easiest thing to do. So you can see where the pith is here. Let's see how close I look on the other end. Actually, almost completely opposite. I don't know how that happened. So, anyway, so this is a perfectly good board here, ready for the stack. Now look at that. Let's see what we got. That's pretty. Yeah. What's it gonna look like on some shelf one day? So what do we got here? We got an interesting phenomenon. It's like my blade took a dip. And I think this is what we were seeing earlier. Look at this. Blade took a dip, man. That blade was hunting. Don't know what. I mean, I don't know if it was this hardwood here that kind of caused something like that. But at this point, I say we swap that blade out.
So you used the same blade from last week?
I did. Well, you know, I thought I'll see how far I could get. But it looks like I might have goofed up. So what I might do is go ahead and then turn this back on its side and take narrower boards, but cut a new reference along this one here. Call that trash.
With a new blade?
With a new blade. Let's take a break, get a new blade. 3 10-inch boards and 6 5.5-inch boards.